This is an ordinary CB microphone, 600 ohms. In this video I will show you how to convert it to a high impedance microphone for use on vintage radios. So this has the Tentec 525 Argosy. Here's a rough schematic of the ordinary CB microphone, which is obviously 600 ohm. So we cut the wire from the microphone and connect 600 ohm to 10 kilo ohm audio matching transformer. And this converts it to a high impedance mic. This is the inside of the converted CB microphone. And this is the additional 600 ohm to 10K audio matching transformer has been added.